my name's Rahma and this is Karima.
Hi.
Karima, how Somali are you?
I'm so Somali that I was born on January 1st.
Oh, me too.
How Somali are you?
I eat bananas. Everything.
That's nothing. I eat 2 bananas with everything. I am so Somali that I eat anjera every morning.
I eat baris for lunch every day.
Well, I eat ambula every night.
I'm so Somali, I know every hawala in my town.
I believe malawah is the best food ever.
I am so Somali. Every Somali I know is my Ada or Adad.
Cool. I am so Somali. I have a hard time pronouncing the letter P. That's why it's my least favorite letter.
Police.
Pizza.
Population.
Pastry.
I am so Somali. I am in local and nationwide ayupa.
That's not true. You don't have any money.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Bye.